Kia ora, David Faulkner here, General Manager of Property Management. Hope you are all well. What I've decided to do is make a short video explaining landlords' responsibilities in terms of they want to end the tenancy. Now, we've had a number of cases recently where landlords have passed on information to property brokers asking us to give notice to tenants because they're either going to be doing renovations or they're going to be putting the property on the market for sale. Now, what we've done, we've carried out those instructions because we believe in good faith that those instructions that we are being given by owners are genuine. What's transpired is that we've had a couple of tribunal cases in different locations within the country where tenants have identified that a property has either not been put on the market for sale and it's been attempted to be re-rented with maybe a different company. This has exposed property brokers to significant risk in the tenancy tribunal, and it's also exposing landlords to risk as well. What you have to understand from a property broker's perspective is that when we sign a management agreement with a landlord, we are taking on that responsibility of becoming the landlord. We are the agent for the landlord. And in the eyes of the tenancy tribunal, that we can be held liable for any breaches of the Residential Tenancies Act. Now, if we're to give a tenant notice unlawfully to end a tenancy, then we're breaching Section 60AA. Now, we can be fined or exemplary damages be paid to a tenant for $6,500. Now, obviously, we do not want that to happen. We don't want to expose you to that risk, and we don't want to expose us as a company to that risk as well. As such, we've made a change in our policies. So if you're going to renovate your property, you need to provide material proof to us of the renovations that what you're going to do before we actually give 90 days notice to a tenant. We need to also ascertain whether the tenancy actually does need to end. Can the tenant move out temporarily and move back in? Can the work be carried out around the tenant? Likewise, if the property is going to go on the market for sale, we may need to see evidence that that is going to be the case. Otherwise, again, you are exposing us as a company to significant risk through the tenancy tribunal. Now, we want to work and help our landlords, but we're not prepared to expose ourselves to significant risk, and we're certainly not going to intentionally breach the Residential Tenancies Act. If you've got any questions about this, please talk to your property manager or you can contact me directly. My email address is david.faulkner@pb.co.nz. Nā te wā.